Hello everyone. Today let's talk about the shift oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and metal. Look, the color is red-brown and the size is internal diameter is 62 and external diameter is 121. The thing is 23. Look, their heads with a spring. This is a spring, and this oil seal have many following features. The first one is with longer service life and more wear resistance, good abrasion resistance and high temperature resistance, good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, multiple water and thickened spring, thickened skeleton. Look, this is thickened spring. It is applicable to heavy truck. And we also provide the customer's service. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries and we can send you the free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.